Alright guys, so I'm going to unbox the San Martin 38mm SN0004, but they sent me the wrong version. So I actually opened this prior to on video or whatever and been sitting on it for a few days thinking about what I'm going to do. I was just so excited to get a 38mm San Martin, kind of a sub homage, no date. So my friend Split Seconds, who also has a YouTube channel, I'll link him down below, originally sent me the link to this watch, and I bought it on 11/11 sale for $188 kind of, but more on that later. Currently wearing the Tactical Frog FXD, which is the watch of the year, best watch of the year 2022. But the San Martin here, 38mm case size, 13mm thickness, 47 lug to lug, and that beautiful NH35 with that lollipop seconds hand. No date. I mean, they knocked it out of the park with this. Beautiful, beautiful taper on the bracelet, San Martin clasp. But here's the issue. So after I opened it, excited, I sent pics to the homie Split Seconds, and then we realized it wasn't the watch I ordered. Here is the watch I ordered, and here is what San Martin sent me. So they sent me the watch with the mil sub bezel. I ran AliExpress DMs to see how they can fix this. Split Seconds actually ended up ordering this watch way before I sent him pictures of mine. So I'll let him explain which one he got in his video, but I will do a full review and I'll explain how San Martin fixes this error, kind of poor QC issue.